Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, there's a button link down below. Please do it. And as for today's video is going to be about a Sarojini Nagar haul, which was a much awaited one. Also, I have made another video talking about the Sarojini Nagar market, the shops you need to refer to, and the best products you can get from these shops, also mentioning the shop numbers as well in that video. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll mention in the description box down below. Do check that out as well. Also, I'll be including a giveaway in this video which I hope you will love, so stay tuned for that. So without wasting further time, let's get into the video. So I'll be starting this haul with some basic sweaters you need to have in your wardrobe. So number one is this blue one, which has quite a pretty detailing over it, and also the neck lining is quite amazing. The color of the sweater is also so pretty and is quite trendy, and I got this sweater for just rupees 150. Also, I would really suggest you, whenever you go to Sarojini Nagar, buy these kind of sweaters. They look really cute and they make your outfit look more appealing when you have paired them with your jeans and a small amount of accessories. So the next sweater which I have is this basic white sweater which has a round neck. You can pair them with endless number of colored pants and you are just good to go. Also, I got this sweater for just rupees 80, which I believe is quite a steal deal. Although it is made up of thin material, so no, it is not warm as much as the blue one was. So the other sweater which I got is this green one, and I also showed you this green sweater in my Sarojini Nagar market video. And this sweater is from the brand Bershka, as you can see, and this sweater is also quite warm and the color is also so pretty. And I bought this sweater for just rupees 150, which I again believe I got this at an amazing price. Now coming on to the part of hoodies, this is the only hoodie I got from there, which is again in blue in color, and I saw the same hoodie on H&M for rupees 1500, and I got this हुडी फ्रॉम सरोजनी नगर फॉर रुपीज़ 550. वो इससे नीचे बिल्कुल भी बार्गेन नहीं कर रहे थे, अदरवाइज आई वुड हैव डेफिनेटली गॉट इट फॉर रुपीज़ 500. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द मटीरियल पार्ट, मटीरियल बिल्कुल सेम है H&M की तरह, नॉट इवन किडिंग. गॉट दिस वन इन द साइज मीडियम, ऑल्दो मेरे को स्मॉल लेना चाहिए था बट उनके पास था नहीं. एंड जस्ट सीइंग द फैक्ट कि बिल्कुल H&M की तरह है, आई डेंट वॉन्ट टू लीव इट, सो आई बॉट इट इन अ बिगर साइज. बट हाँ, ये साइज भी मेरे को बिल्कुल ठीक आ जाता है, थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो जाता है, बट इट इज़ अमेजिंग एंड इट वॉज वर्थ द मनी स्पेंड. बिकॉज अगर मैं यही H&M पे लेने जाऊँ तो मेरे को 1500 की वन मिलेगी, एंड आई कुड हैव बॉट ऑलमोस्ट 3 at the price of what H&M gave me. Although I got myself 2 hoodies from H&M and now I'm like, शिट यार, मैं सरोजनी नगर क्यों नहीं गई पहले. बाकी येस, यू कैन ऑल्सो वेयर सम अदर स्वेटर्स इनसाइड अगर आप दिल्ली की ठंड में रह रहे हो तो, बिकॉज यू रियली नीड टू कीप योर सेल्फ warm. So now coming to the tops part, the first top which I got is this maroon one, which is so pretty and it looks so chic. See the detailing going over in between, it looks so amazing. And the sleeves are in mesh material and it looks like this. And I got this top for rupees 220 rupees. ऑल्दो ये हर जगह 250 का मिल रहा था और कोई भी भैया बार्गेन करने को तैयार नहीं था, बट एक थोड़ा सा मान गया एंड ही केम डाउन टू 220. एंड आई पेयर्ड दिस टॉप विद माई वाइन कलर्ड पैंट्स एंड इट लुक्ड सो प्रिटी, as you can see in the picture as well. And also here's a tip for you guys as well, try to buy different colored pants. और सरोजनी में यू नो 200 रुपये में मिल जाती है, तो हार्डली इतना बुरा भी नहीं लगता कि चलो एक बारी पहनी है, 2 बारी पहनी है, 4 बारी पहनी, तो वो पैसे वसूल हो ही जाते हैं अल्टीमेटली. यू नो यूजुअली हम लोग ब्लूज़ या ब्लैक्स रखते हैं अपने वार्डरोब में, तो थोड़ा डिफरेंट कलर, तो थोड़ा कलर चेंज भी हो जाता है. इट्स रियली गुड इफ़ यू ट्राई टू change your wardrobe and keep some different colored pants. अदरवाइज़ मेरे साथ भी सेम ही है, मैं भी ब्लूज़ और ब्लैक्स के पीछे बहुत भागती हूँ, बट देन आई एम ट्राइंग टू चेंज. बाकी येस, यू कैन वेयर दिस टॉप इन समर्स एंड इट वुड लुक रियली प्रिटी ऑन यू. Now coming on to the next top, which is this teal in color top which I got from Incense, or definitely ये थोड़ा higher price था than what you get in the main Sarojini Nagar market, right? So this one was for rupees 799 to be exact, and all it also looked so pretty. I paired this top with my black leather pants as you can see in this picture, and it came out to be very amazing. Now since I was talking about different colored pants, I want to show you the two I got from Sarojini Nagar this time. The first one being this wine colored pant which I got for rupees 200. So you know, whenever you are buying bottoms without trying them, the one thing I can tell you is take your pants and इसको ना ऐसे just do it like this, और अगर ये पीछे तक पूरा टच कर जाए ना, then the size is made for you. मैं तो literally सरोजनी नगर में हर बारी पैंट्स ऐसी लेकर आती हूँ. So yes, talking about this one, I got it for rupees 200 and the color is quite pretty, and this color can also be paired with many different colors as well. And the other color which I experimented this time is this purple one. Again I got this for rupees 200 and दोनों का material बिल्कुल same है, and this color can also be paired with many different colors as well, be it whites and pinks, and if you want to go for a monochrome look you can wear it with lilacs and dark purples and anything you feel like. So now coming to the part which is my favorite in this entire haul, which are the coats. So the first coat which I got is this brown in color one, and this one is also quite big. The buttons are in black in color and the pocket goes down like that, and this coat was for only rupees 200, and I believe आपको बहुत अच्छे कोट्स मिल सकते हैं सरोजनी नगर में. Legit 5000 6000 खर्च करने की बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can just go to सरोजनी नगर and बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है इस कोट की in fact, and you can get it for just rupees 200 guys. You can also layer so many things inside with this coat, and ये warm भी अच्छा खासा है. Coming to the star of the haul, which has to be this black coat guys. I just saw the same coat on H&M maybe previous year or previous to previous year, I don't know when, and that was for rupees around 6000 I believe. And guys, एक बारी guess करो how much I got this one for. I'm giving you 3 seconds to guess. Guess it and tell me. I got this for just rupees 200. थोड़ा अगर आपने 50-50 सोचा हो तो इतना भी नीचे मत जाओ, but yes, I got it for rupees 200 and this coat has my heart. एंड ये थोड़ा सा ओवरसाइज्ड है, सो इसके अंदर मैं बहुत सारी लेयरिंग कर सकती हूँ. इन फैक्ट आई ऑल्सो मेड यूट्यूब शॉर्ट विच इंक्लूडेड दिस कोट, सो इफ़ यू हैवंट चेक दैट आउट, check the complete outfit I made with this coat. Baki, yes, this is my favorite from the entire haul. So now coming to the accessories part, the first accessories I have got are these earrings. These are hoops and there is a text written in between which says babe, and they make your outfit look so chic. I got these ones for rupees 50 and yes, they are very very pretty. The next accessory which I got are these sunglasses which are round in shape, and इसके बाहर leopard print की detailing भी है, which makes it look all the more pretty. I'll wear them and show you how they look. एक गणपत चल आ. The other thing I got from Sarojini Nagar market is this blush pink bag, and the detailing of the strand goes like this, and forever young is written in here, and it looks quite cute paired with your basic cool outfits. Space from inside is this much, and this bag costed me rupees 350, and I paired this bag with my black and black outfit as you can see in this picture, and it looked quite pretty. And I got this scarf and it was for just rupees 50, and it looked quite pretty as well. There are some threads running down here and the pattern is also quite pretty. You can pair this scarf with your plain outfits and you are good to go. And then I got 3 scrunchies. One is this color and I don't know where are the other two. And the other two colors which I got were a blue one and thoda brownish ki tone mein tha, the third one. And these three costed me rupees 50 only, and they are quite good as well. The colors were so pretty. And आजकल तो fashion चल रहा है, you know, ऐसे hand में पहनने का, so you can do that as well. Yes, we are done with the haul, and now coming to the most awaited part in this video, which has to be the giveaway. And I am giving away this Satinx shampoo and conditioner, and they look like this. I'll show you one by one. This is Satinx 2-in-1 shampoo, which is made for all hair types, and this is the conditioner. So one lucky person among you will win this hamper. Now coming on to the rules for this giveaway. The first rule is that you have to subscribe to my channel, and also you have to send me the screenshots. You can send them on my Instagram handle, or you can mail them as well. I'll mention my mail ID in the comment section down below. And the third rule is that you have to tell me how many times I've said pretty in this video, and tell me in the comment section down below. So all the best. And also there's another giveaway running on my Instagram page, so if you haven't followed me there, do that. I'll mention my details. So here's my handle, and you can follow me there as well. The winner of this giveaway will be announced in around 15 days, so stay tuned for that. And yes, stay safe and stay happy. Till then, bye.